Hey, blue shirt here. I've got a Euro, another one from Groixid. It's a Schuco, I believe, 5-pin. It came from one of his friends in Austria. Well, his friend is in the Netherlands, I think. But anyway, it was kind of a treat to get it and pick it. It wasn't as straightforward as I thought it would be, but it has 4 spools, and this last driver is, best I can tell, it's not quite a T-pin, but on the end of the serrations, it may be manufacturing imperfections, I don't know, but it acted taper to me. So anyway, it was something more, a little funner. The key pins, a couple of them have serrations on them too. Nothing done to the bobble or to the cylinder. So anyway, up next we'll pick it, and thanks for stopping by. See ya. Hey folks, so this is a 5-pin Euro cylinder from Groixid, a Schuco, I think is how you say it. Hope it's coming out okay. Not quite reflective. That's what the bitting looks like. Okay. I think I'll try the Moki Extra 2. Something a little beefier. I know I can't. I picked this about a week ago, and you can't go up through the warding, but you can pick off the shelf, off this warding here, this side. Can't get up through the milling is what I'm trying to say. Medium tension. So 1 is really floppy. It's not binding. 2. Nothing. 3. Got a click out of 3. 4. Nothing. 5. Nothing. Not really happy with that pick. I'm gonna try a Moki round, or round. Number 2. Maybe I can get some better feel. So 1 is okay. 2 I touched and got a little movement. 3 is okay. 4. Leave it alone. 5. Got a little click and a little bit of movement. See if I can get you up over top of it. Crank up some tension, see if I can get 1. It's just not binding. Leave it alone. 2's okay. 3. Okay. 4. Okay. 5. 5 is okay. I don't know if you could see it, but 5 kind of mushed up, and I got some clockwise rotation. So yep, there's spools here. Let's see. I'm on 1 and it's binding now finally. Let's see. Go back to the other Moki. No, it's not. It's not binding. Leave it alone. I'm on 3. Nothing. 4. Leave it alone. 5. got jiggle. 4's got jiggle. 3. Jiggle. 2. Rock solid, but I think I should leave that alone. 1 is binding and letting up. It's counter rotating. Okay, I think I finally set 1, 2, leave it alone, 3, plus 3. It's all the way down. Okay, I think I set that. 1 set, 2 set, 3 fill set, 4 is okay, 5 is okay. Got some weird feedback. 3 is kind of rotating. I don't know what to make of that. Maybe I overlifted it. One set, 2 set, 3. It was 3. I just wasn't getting it up there far enough. Okay, let's see what's in there. Wow, it took like 6 minutes. It's kind of catching right there. It's weird. This one's got a brass C-clip. Oh, this is in the way. Let's see. I remember taking this apart before and I didn't really need to shim it. It was really tight though. So looks good. Let's give it a try. Ouch, that's my finger. It's really tight. Alright, let's get the pins out and then I'll force that out in a minute. So it's got a serration on it. Second one's just a standard. 3's got a serration. Here comes 5. Got serrated on it. 4 is a deep one. See what I'm talking about. A little bit of a serration on there. Damn, that doesn't want to come out. I don't know what's hanging that up so bad. Nothing done to this cylinder. No milling. how it turns out. Spool. I think I'll do an introduction again. So I'm just going to go through this pretty quick. Spool. Spool. O. Shooting spool. That's not a spool. That's what was giving that weird feedback. Number 5, it's serrated and it looks like it's sort of like a T-pin. I'd have to get the calipers out and measure it to make sure, but anyway. Nothing else funny about it. Alright. Thanks for watching. Give me a comment. See ya.